Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Look at what we have here. You think you know what you're looking at? Are you sure you know what you're looking at? Stick around, let me tell you what you're looking at. This is our 2014 Subaru Forester. You knew that. I knew that. You knew that. Everyone knew this is a Forester. Subaru Forester 2014. But wait, there's more. Look at that front end. Look a little aggressive? Yes, it does, because this is the XT Forester. This is the Turbo Forester. Does that make a big difference? Oh my goodness, yes. This is the turbo car. This is the Turbo Forester. This thing is 250 horsepower. That is huge. That is over 70 horsepower more than your regular Forester. This thing is phenomenal in the handling. It accelerates strong. It has all kinds of power, and it still gets 28 miles to the gallon. That is with its all-wheel drive. Pretty amazing. Now this one is, again, the XT with the premium, which is going to give you your power liftgate there. One thing I really like is that you get your tow package here. You're also going to have tons of cargo space. The cargo space in these Foresters is absolutely phenomenal. These things are overrun with room. Underneath your deck here, you're going to have additional storage. I love how they have that cut out. That way you're utilizing every bit of your space. This one does have the quick releases for your 60/40 split folding rear seat. You just push that tab or that tab beside your power outlet there, and that is going to release your seat back so you can actually lay that seat down without having to jump to the front. Of course, this is an adjustable height. You can set that to open up a little bit or open up a whole lot. You can adjust it for your height. The Forester is going to offer you just a ton of room, and look at that leather interior. Absolutely love it. Very durable. This one is going to have your map pockets on the back of the seats. You do have your folding center armrest right there, and of course you do have your mud mats. But notice the flat pass through there to comfortably fit 3 passengers. Very comfortable to haul all 3 passengers there. Up here we're going to have all of our power options. We're going to have our Harman Kardon audio system. That is the top of the line, and it sounds really good. Of course, you can have your power seats there. And again, I love the leather interior, and I love the perforation here on the seating surface, which is going to help climate control that and keep it very comfortable in all temperatures. Again, you do have your height adjustment for your rear deck lid there. Of course, you can open and close that from there. Duplicate audio control, so you can adjust your audio without having to take your eyes off of the road. You're going to have your cruise control. This one is Bluetooth streaming to your premium audio system, and that does have navigation there. And the Bluetooth is very important because no more handheld devices in the state of Virginia. If they see a phone in your hand, you're going to be getting a ticket. Put your phone down, buy this car, you're in good shape. You do have dual climate control. You have the X mode there. Awesome feature. That is going to help maximize your control in your all-wheel drive system. I'll go into that in a minute. You do have your heated seats here. Of course, your automatic transmission with your manual mode, which you're going to be able to shift up and shift down from your steering wheel should you want to do that. If you don't know how Tiptronic works, go to my YouTube page and look at my tutorial on Tiptronic transmissions. Look up here. That is one of the largest sunroofs you're going to find. That thing is huge. Very large sunroof in that. I absolutely love it. I love the color. I love the style. I love the wheels. This thing is just super strong. And again, you do have the turbo mode. Super fun. Very fun with this turbo. This thing does have the X mode. Again, the X mode, this makes this thing one of the most capable all-wheel drive vehicles out there. Most of your all-wheel drive vehicles in this class are going to require front wheels to slip in order to engage the all-wheel drive system, and that takes time. With this vehicle, it is full-time all-wheel drive, and what's going to happen is in that X mode, while it's engaged, it is going to send the power to the wheel with the most traction, and it is constantly monitoring and changing that. It is phenomenal what these things will do in bad situations. If you have bad weather, if you're on mud, if you're in sand, doesn't matter what you're in, this is one of the most competent systems that you're going to find. And of course, Subaru durability is absolutely phenomenal. And at City Motors, we're going to give you a 6-month, 7,500 mile warranty. That is coast to coast with roadside assistance. We have zero processing fees here at City Motors. No fees here at City Motors. You can call us at 540-433-7335. Text us 24/7 at that same number. But whatever you do, do it quick, because of under $15,000. This thing is not going to sit here long. Get here quick. Do not miss it. We hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.